Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we are looking at 604 Rock Street, Apartment 7 in Fall River, Massachusetts. This is a third floor, one bedroom apartment located in the Northern Historic Highland area of Fall River, Massachusetts. Currently, we are in the bedroom. As you can see, we have lovely dark hardwood floors throughout the entire apartment. We have the baseboard heaters at the bottom as well. Keep you nice and warm during the cold seasons. Straight ahead, we have the exit to the bedroom that goes out to the exit of the apartment. Straight ahead, we have the closet for the bedroom. And around back, we have this nice curved wall with 3 large windows to let plenty of natural light in. To the left here, this goes to the living room area. We have this nice bench over here, right below the 2 windows. You see more of that nice dark hardwood. We have a closet straight ahead as well. And then forward, we have 2 glass doors that close off the living room. This room could potentially be converted into a second bedroom. This is the main hallway area with the exit to the right there. Around the corner here, we have the bathroom straight ahead. A nice quaint little bathroom with a full-size tub and shower. Medicine cabinet as well. The bathroom and the kitchen is equipped with durable vinyl scratch-resistant panels. As you can see, color matches the hardwood floors as well. We are in the kitchen now. We have like these nice built-in drawer sets right below the window in the kitchen. Store your dry goods and food products there. We have the 2 little windows and the small benches over there. Here we have the countertop, matching countertop to go with the nice dark hardwood finishes. And the cabinets, the nice dark brown as well. And we have the fridge straight ahead. And this property is managed by Nexus Property Management. So you do have benefits such as an online login where you can contact staff and make rent payments online. You'll be also given a service number that is 24 hours for all your emergency repairs and maintenance needs. Again, this is 604 Rock Street, Apartment 7 in Fall River, Massachusetts.